the one by Wacom. Hey, following from my last video, I reviewed the Cintiq 16. Click here if you haven't seen that yet. We spoke a bit about the price tag and what that was worth in the end. So today I want to expand on one of my other favourite Wacom tablets. This is the one by Wacom, as is literally titled this here. I've never seen it in use before on the internet or by anyone in real life, and none of the artists that I followed ever reviewed this device. I suppose it's probably because it's just gone under the radar, and I think that is a massive shame because clearly this is one of the best value tablets that Wacom has produced to date. So in the box you have your pen, cable and tablet. The tablet feels quite sturdy, and even though it's plastic, it feels well built, whereas the pen fits nicely into the straps. The cable is okay, it's micro USB, it's nothing special. You're going to need this because the tablet does not have any wireless features. So why is this Wacom better than their next cheapest products, the Intros and Intros Medium? So right now I'm just going to show you the price tag of all the comparisons. Yeah, it's clearly evident that the one by Wacom is cheaper by at least $20 if you're getting it brand new. So you're probably thinking, so it's cheaper, does that mean it's better? I'm not necessarily suggesting it's better because it's cheaper. Actually telling you that it's cheaper and better, and the reason why is that if you were to think about it, an Intros compared to an Intros Medium is really in the price tag and the size, and if you could mark up a normal Intros up to $100 for just having a big surface area, well, the one by Wacom has the exact same surface area as the Intros Medium, as well as the cheap and affordable price of the Intros. So having started and come from cheap Wacom devices, starting with the Bamboo series, the truth is that you're really pretty much getting the same experience if you're not looking into the Pro stuff. And I can confidently tell you the build quality, reliability and pen experience are identical between all the budget Wacom devices, with the only real difference being the price and I suppose the wireless features. I think when it comes to wireless, it's good to have it as an option, but if you want the best drawing experience, just wire your devices up, the latency is always going to be tighter. So if you're looking to get your first drawing tablet or looking for a bargain, this could be the one for you. Thanks for sticking through to the end. I hope this video was useful. You can help me get a custom channel name by subscribing and like the video. Thank you. Bye.